The tornado tag is underway. Any strategy you would utilize in this type of match, King?
Well, so many things are different about this type of match than a normal tag match. But one thing you don't want to do is leave your partner alone and get a 2-on-1 advantage. In a tag match, it's important to remember that it's not about how good the individuals are, but how well the teams work together. That's the only way to win this thing. Don't expect a lot of mercy to be shown here. There's just so much at stake for these teams in this match. A win in this one is absolutely huge. Knocked down, what a shot.
Look at this, look at this. Talking to a number of the servicemen and women, they never miss a moment of Raw or SmackDown. Even out here, they're able to watch it every week.
Watch it.
That was precision. What a move. You can practically see the pain in his face right now, thanks to that tremendous move off the ropes. The Cowboy wants to brawl.
He's trying to get the blood flowing to his brain. Look out!
The Bruiser with punishing impact.
Oh man, that spear came out of nowhere!
Amazing roundhouse kick. At what point, King, do those thoughts creep in of, what do I have to do to put this match to rest?
And I don't know. I don't know as a WWE superstar if you ever have those thoughts of self-doubt. Oh, jeez. Nice backdrop.
Bruiser is just too much on that exchange.
What a counter. Whoa!
He's measuring thunderous impact by the Masked Man. Trying to get under his opponent's skin with this one.
Uh-oh, this is bad. Whoa, whoa! Great move by the Cowboy. Incoming! He's stretching out that torso, checking for any bruises, and you know they're there. And he gets leveled.
Rolling out of harm's way. Smart strategy there.
Oh!
Wow. How good is this guy? Tremendous action in this match.
He's trying to clear out the cobwebs. His head has to be screaming. Oh, no!
Tilt-the-world backbreaker. King, as soon as he's got it locked in, just a dominating display.
Yeah, I think we could see a lot of punishment inflicted here. Wow, what a slam to the ground. Oh, man. Watch it. What a counter by the King.
And he rolls out, buying himself some breathing room. There's the suplex.
Like I said, those moves don't win the match in one go, but they add up. And boy, have they added up in this one. Misjudged that.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Submission locked in. And that's it. He's had enough.
The King wins.